In today's video, I am going to do my update for Deck of Panning. This panning project was created by Emily and Max, and this is round 4. So that means this is the 4th year that they have done this panning project. This is a year-long project that runs from January the 20th until December the 20th, and you update monthly on the 20th of the month. Emily shuffles the game board every month, somewhere around the 10th of the month. I will link the spreadsheet for this project down in the description box in case you're interested in learning more about this project. There is a game board, there are prompts, all of the prompts are explained. You will need a deck of cards in order to play. So let's get right into how I did for this update. Hey howdy, hey, Leanna here. I'm super excited. I have rollouts. I have 6 products in this deck of panning project. I drew the 3 of spades, which was for primer, and so I chose this Laura Geller Fortifying Lashes eyelash primer. This is my holy grail favorite eyelash primer that has been discontinued, which makes me extremely sad. I rolled this in January for 10 uses, and I have used this 10 times. So this will be rolling out. For the 2 of spades, which was for the prompt collecting cobwebs, I rolled in this Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel, which I used to love and use all the time, but it has definitely been collecting cobwebs because I use a brow gel that already sets your lashes, that already sets your brows, not your lashes. Don't put, can you put eyebrow gel on your lashes? That's an interesting concept. I may have just come up with something new. Anyway, I rolled this in January for 10 uses, and I have only used it 7 times. So this will be staying in. For the 3 of diamonds, which is a splurge item, what is pink? I picked this House Labs, which I have upside down, eyeshadow palette. This is the iLibrary eyeshadow palette, Volume 2, the Super Neutrals. And I love House Labs, but I do not love this eyeshadow palette at all. Like, I'm wearing it, and it was hard to get on, and I wore it to work today, and when I got home, it was almost all gone. I had to redo my look for this video because it just kind of wore off. And if you can see, like, you see that little dip there, and these almost look like they're hard panned. I'm not a fan, and I love Lady Gaga, love her products, like her foundation and concealer are the bomb. Love them. I do not like this eyeshadow palette. Anyway, I rolled this in for 5 uses. I used it 5 times. It is rolling out and rolling right over into the declutter bin. For the 5 of clubs, that prompt was foundation, so I rolled in this Estee Lauder powder foundation. This is the Double Wear Stay in Place Matte Powder Foundation, and it is in the shade 3-in-1, which is Ivory Beige, and I love this powder foundation. I am wearing it today. It is amazing, and I rolled this in for 10 uses. I've only used it 4 times, but I have some other products that I've been working on, so I will get my other 6 uses done by the next update. So this one is staying in. For the Queen of Hearts, the prompt for that was pick your space. And for that prompt, I chose this MAC blush. This is the Rosie Does It Glow Play Blush. And I love this blush. I love it. It is very cushiony, and it is like a cream. But then when you put it on your face, it's a powder. Beautiful. I am wearing this today as well, and I love it. It is one of my favorite blushes. I rolled that in for 10 uses, and I've used it 10 times because I love it that much, so this will be rolling out. And the last product I have was for the card 5 of Hearts, which went with the prompt metallic. And so I rolled in this metallic blue Milani eyeliner, which I have on today. This is in the shade Blu-ray, and I rolled this in for 10 uses, and I have used it 6 times. So this will be staying in. So that's 3 products staying in and 3 products that are rolling out. And so here is what the new board looks like. And I have my very pretty Fae deck of cards. And I have my Joker. I'm going to put that sucker puppy in the center of the deck, and we're going to shuffle and draw 3 cards. Then I'll match the cards up to the prompt, and I will go pick my products. Okay. I'm going to cut 3 times. It's a thing, y'all. You have to cut 3 times. And then I have to tap it 3 times. I don't know why. I'm going to pull from the top. And the first card is the 9 of Diamonds. Pulling from the top again, the second card is the Ace of Spades. And the third card is the 4 of Diamonds. So I will put the game board here so you can see which prompt goes with which card. So for the 9 of Diamonds, that is newest. So I'm assuming that that is one of my newest products. That's exciting. For the Ace of Spades, it's a get out of jail free card. So now I'm going to flip over to the prompt meanings so I can make sure that I understand what the get out of free jail card means. Does that mean I just keep it? Okay, so I'm going to read the description of the get out of jail free card, and that means it's a Monopoly reference, and it means that it replaces veto. Keep for future use. Do not add back into your deck. You will need to draw an additional card for a product prompt. And this prompt came from Emma. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside. I'm just going to pick my deck up, and I'm going to pull from the top, and we have the 7 of Hearts. So placing the game board back up, the 7 of Hearts is Bomb, which stands for Black-owned makeup brand. And the last card, which is the 4 of Diamonds, is a bronzer, which is really nice because I'm in need of a bronzer. So I'm going to go pull my products, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I pulled all of my products. So for the 9 of Diamonds, which is newest, I pulled this little Magic Castle water activated duochrome palette. I have not used this palette. I got this in an ice cream beauty box in December of 2023. And I'm super excited to get to use it because it is gorgeous. Look at that. So exciting. So exciting. This is from Indie Makeup UK, which is on Etsy. So that's super exciting. For the 7 of Hearts, which that prompt was Black-owned makeup brand. While I was in that basket, this was right on top, which is the Juvia's Place. The Rebels Grays. The Rebel Grays palette. And look at how pretty that is. I think I've used this once, maybe. So I'm excited to give this another try. I think this will be really pretty with some spring colors, or maybe, maybe my dragon fruit palette, or my other little Cleonda palette that I created that Andy gave me the gift card for my birthday. That would be really pretty. So I'm excited. And I'll tell you how many uses I'm going to do at the end. For the Four of Diamonds, which was bronzer, I picked my House Labs bronzer. This is Power Sculpt Velvet Bronzer, and it is in light level 2, which is a very, very pretty bronzer. I think that will be nice because I don't have a tan yet. Got to work on that. I actually have some tanning stuff in one of my panning projects that I need to get to using now that it's starting to get warm. So those are my 3 products that I'm rolling in, and I'm going to set a usage goal to use each one of these 10 times. Lofty, I know, but I think I can do it. I think I'm getting this panning stuff down pat. So how exciting. I'm super excited about this. I'm really excited to try this little palette. It's a very nice little palette. So that's my deck of panning update for this month. Like I said, I will have all of the information down in the description box, along with a link to Emily's channel so that you can go check out her intro video where she tells you all about this project in case you want to jump in. Jump in where you are. It's never too late. Just hop on in there. Let me know down in the comments, are any of y'all doing this panning project? I would like to know. Before you go check out Emily and Max, make sure that you show that like button some love. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscription button so you can keep track, maybe better than me, of all the crazy panning projects that I've got going on. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I will see you in my next video. Okay. Love you. Bye. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Okay. Christopher, here is your makeup tip from Yo Mama. If someone insists that you would look great, reply with, I'd look great with a pizza. Mama loves you, boo. Thumbnails.